Alrighty then, mic check, mic check. Welcome back. Let's get to it. All right, we are back for the afternoon session. If you are not following me over there on Twitter, at Real Vinny Emini, that is where all of my best plays are getting played out. If you're not following me there, you're missing the morning session. So make sure you go check those out. There are some pop quizzes there for you as well. If you are learning our strategies, make sure you know, especially the ones if I say pop quiz, that means you're supposed to know this. Afternoon session coming up here. So some of the things we're going to be doing right now are I'm going to simplify our layout here. And if you've been with me for a while, you know how we love our 5-trade layout. We've got our 5-chart layout, 3, 4, and 5. However, we did get some feedback. I have asked, do you prefer the simplified layout, particularly around the live streams? And yes, we got a lot of feedback that, yeah, it's a bit overwhelming, and I understand that when people are coming through the door. So what we're going to try to do is I'm going to show you that you can do quite well even with a simplified layout. Now, I am going to have these in my own purview. I'm going to have my higher time frames off here on the left. I've got the multi-screen layout here. Now, you don't have to have a ton of screens, but I do recommend you have 3. I still think that is the recommended. Minimum base 2. One of those being 4K, so that you've got the pixel density for enough screen real estate to see what you need to see. There is, I wouldn't say there's a lot of information that you need to assess with the markets, but there is a decent amount that can affect your plays. But if you want to add things together like we do, build confluence around your entries, then you might want to see all those things. And that's the way that I approach the markets. And if you like that, great. If you don't, well, that's okay too. But I'm here to show you how I do it. Let's see, I think I want to play with this a little bit. So I'll be playing with the layout here the next few days and see what you guys like the best. But I am all in on the Enigmas, the Alpha Omegas, and the double crosses, especially with regions. Had a great region play earlier today. Let's pull this off so you can kind of see it. Speed is obviously not great right now, but this region back here earlier today was great. Great stuff. Came right through and was able to avoid some of this mess in here because we had already identified that range. Then when we started coming back through, boom, here we go. Up, and away. Here come the good Enigmas as we start to roll through. Boom, boom, boom. Up and up and up. Great stuff. And that tells you the end of the play right there. You've got the moonshot coming in there to the end. Another HMD to the long side. Beautiful setups. All the way up she goes. Wonderful stuff. Don't forget the masher lines. So we've drawn these in. It looks like we need another set coming up here. We have not had a turn down yet. Actually, the turn down, if you want to measure this one, that drop right there was a 68 tick drop, and still guess where it came? Right at the top of the masher, right there. Yeah, definitely use that masher for your filters for the biggest plays. Now, again, if you don't want the big plays, you don't have to. Hey, what's up, Joshua? Thank you for that. Said Mentorship Monday and a follow-up live stream. Yes, we'll be doing more of those. Vinny, did you get your new PC setup? No, man, I'm still running on the 10900. Believe it or not. Still running on the 10900. I should do like an uncrating of that beast. Let's see. How do I want to arrange these? I really like the size of this one. It's a little bit of a square, I know. So let me think about how I can fit some good stuff in here. Like, it's like perfect. I don't want this to be the same size as that one. Let's... that masher nice and wide. Do we put it right here? Go back here and look at something on an old layout that we had that everybody seemed to like. Let's see, that was this one. We had technically two mains, but I still had the others in my purview up here. Yeah, I've moved a lot of things around, even our rules and stuff. I moved to the left. So yeah, I'm gonna need to move some stuff around. So bear with me. We got plenty of time here to the afternoon session. It is only 1:42, so we'll hang out here. We'll get some questions answered. If you got questions, pop them there in the chat box. I'll try to get them answered for you. Somebody said they like the 5 screens. You know what? Let's take a vote. Okay. Would you rather see the 5-screen setup? And really, I mean, how do I go back and forth? I can still see the 5-screen layout, but don't you think that for new traders, like if you were coming in as a new trader and you saw the 5 charts, for some reason, I think people are just getting overwhelmed by it. They're just, and, yeah, so we're gonna try to show people that it does not have to be that complex if you're focusing strictly on the entry setups after you've got a high time frame idea, and then entering in on the low time frames, you can do quite well. Again, our targets are really, I've told you guys that we're kind of doing like a $750 a day challenge, although today it was just, the market was just wet today and you had to dive in. It was great play setups today, just all over the place. Great speed coming in, great setups, just beautiful stuff today. Saw some of our other traders in the room absolutely smashing it today. Okay, so I like this sizing, but I'm going to duplicate chart here. Right click, duplicate window, and then I'm going to see if I can play with it a little bit wider or not, and if it distorts it too much. There is a certain level of visual that I really like, that I feel really helps. That's not bad. Actually, I'll be able to see that. Pretty good. Okay, but I am going to keep my favorite off on the side over here. I am going to put it off. Just this size. You might have this. You might get a favorite. Might get a favorite size, and you'll understand once you got that it's kind of, well, you'll know. I'm new and the 3 screen is working for me. I have the tide and wave on the tabs and the MACD chart. Excellent. Okay, so here's the official vote. 2 charts, or 3 charts, or 5 charts that should be shown on the live streams. Type it in the chat. The numbers are 5, 3, or 2. So the 3 would be the flag. Kind of call the flag layout, which does come out of the box now as the default, what I call standard light. The 3 chart layout. Oh, we're picking up. Remember, tomorrow is FOMC at 2 o'clock. So today is a pre-FOMC trade toward the golden ropes. High time frame. You want to know why I tell you to trade toward the golden ropes the day before? Look at this. There's your highest time frame. Maybe I should make this bigger so it feels like it's a high time frame when you know it. But those plays, boom, there she goes, right up into the golden ropes area. That is the zone of safety for the big money players. So before FOMC, just in case there are surprises, so their boss man doesn't yank them a new one. I see 5s and 3s. Nobody for 2s? I really thought you guys liked the 2 chart layout thing. Seemed like that was the ticket for a while. Not so much. I like the 5. I've also wanted to kind of put my main buttons right in the center again. Lots of 5s. Everybody's in on the 5. All right. Well, I may have to figure out a way then to get people not... all right, I'll take a shot at this one right here. We got a little bit of a moonshot going on here. Do hear buyers coming in. There we go. Target's filled. I couldn't pass that one. Come on. Come on. Did that one scream at you? It screamed at me. Nice little moonshot. Add a few $100 right there. Can't let a few $100 just sit there and stare you in the face now, can you? Not at all. Speaking of getting our stream layouts, find my window with my buttons on it. See what we can do here.
Rain on it.
All right, let me save this layout real quick while we're moving things around. Worst thing that you can do is have a crash while things are getting spicy, and then you didn't save it. Okay, there's a second one. I'll take a short real quick. With the dot back behind it. Target 1. Stops back behind the cross. Might not be getting me target 2 there. Was slightly behind on that entry. All right, and targets filled. Pop quiz time. Why did I take that right there? What is that called? What did we do right there? Oops. That right about there. Let's see if you can get this one right. Type it there in the chat if you have been studying along with us. Why? What all do you see right here? Why did I take that short? Good speed today, by the way. Good speed. We can start right there. Do we have good speed? Yes. Couple things going on right there, just as a hint. We'll see what everybody comes up with here. All right, I'm going to check the responses. If I can find the window for it. Let's see. Second AO, that was my big one. That was the big one. Hooked on Pips, I think. Mike Schwartz coming through with the original video on the dual AO. One followed by another with a smaller number. Right, Mike? It is a smaller number afterwards too, correct? So first one was a 13, second one was a 12, near each other as we're moving into a direction. First one, continuation. Second one, try for a little reversal. And oftentimes you get a nice little piece. Now on top of that, the others that other people did see, you also technically have a headshot in there. There is... Boom. So we have a Fabella dot. And we have a crosshair, don't we? So that is called a headshot. So, headshot to the short. No problem. Target 1, target 2? Sure, no problem. Let's see. Was there something else there? That's all I saw. Let me see if anybody saw anything else. Oh, you know what I didn't check? Was my... Where was my masher at that time? 1348. Oh, that was a great play, though. Yes, confluence. Add things together. Take a shot. I have been having fun with some trolls on Twitter today. It has been quite fun. Let's troll ICT for a minute. He's like,
markets move with the algorithm that I wrote.
Even though can't code.
Yeah, it's my algorithm. Just trust me. Trust me, guys. I can't code, but trust me, I coded this. And markets do not move harmonically. Okay, definitely not harmonically.
Undeniable. You're in denial, bro. You're in denial. Oh, this one looked juicy over here too. So hopefully some people got that long. I wasn't out here playing around. If your head's into this, you probably took this trade. How many of you took this trade? PRZ cross. to the long side. Anybody take that one there as that dipped? Boom. Now that, along with, if you got your other time frames, why I like to see the others as well, when you have confluence and what's that pink line called? Pop quiz. What's the pink line there? Denial. And I'm not talking about Denial River, you know what I'm saying? You're right, brother. That's a good one. I like it. Yes, you got king timing right there as well. Boom. Hits. Worth taking a shot. Beautiful stuff right there. Too slow on the threes. Too slow on the fours. But just chucking all the way up there. Even on the twos, I think timing's bad there. Yeah, I'm gonna light that up there. I think I like the colors on this one better. All right, saving a few of my changes here on the workspace. Vinny, what are your thoughts on the F-35 coming up missing at Call BS? Dude, there's going to be some crazy stuff going on, y'all. Like, absolute craziness happening in the world. Oof. That is a deep topic there. We have had some pretty lengthy discussions over the weekend with a big prepper family friend of ours. And yeah, we had some really good conversations. The next events that we're going to start to see are, I think, going to be coming out of the heavens. Them talking about UFOs and all this other kind of stuff. They're raring up to get the pre-programming for the mines. That's my opinion. And I know what the end of the story says. Because the good Lord left us his book. And Revelations tells us exactly what is going to happen. And it's telling us what's happening right now. WorldCoin is picking up speed there in Europe. Yes, Jesus is returning soon, and this time he's not coming as the nice guy. Okay, so we've got a region here. Go ahead and mark it up. Do we want to count those as pivots out? Nah. Wide. It's a pretty wide zone going on here. Gonna catch it right here at the double touch. Okay, I'm gonna be watching the masher. Really don't want to be playing unless the masher is in a good spot for my biggest and best plays. Got a region now though, so I can play double crosses at the edges. Also one of my favorite plays. Now often those are actually easier to see off of algo bars, so let's go ahead and draw those up here as well. The Earth is also going through changes. Emmanuel, tell me which ones you're thinking about. I've heard some pretty strong theories that something is going to happen in the Canary Islands. So if you were wanting to write down anything that might want to note, is if you hear the Canary Islands come up in some news events. We'll see if another Simpsons prediction comes true. Okay, we got a shark tail right here. Let me get a little pop-up first. What time? 2:02. Where's the masher at? Masher didn't quite touch yet. Okay, there's a bit of a headshot right there. Alpha Omega cross. Set up. Hopefully it doesn't break that cross at the bottom. Add to position as the dot readjusts. Oof, breaks straight through. Ouch. Okay, so that is going to be a stop out. Here comes King Timing. Got a double delta. Want to take whatever the next play is. Next play, we've got double delta on the dock here. An arm long, arm short, going to take the next play on any kind of Enigma. I want to take the next play, whatever that might be. Okay, there's the auto Enigma firing off right there. Dangerous part about that right there is it's right in the middle of this zone. Got my finger over the reverse if I start to hear sellers. All right, I'm hearing the sellers come in. I'm going to go ahead and go short, target the back of the Enigma. Okay, got the another one. Yikes. So these just cancel each other out here. Got my finger over the close if we push up in there. Thought we had finished out that king timing zone there, but looks like we're working right back in the zone. Oh, thank you. Whoever just called that out there. Yeah, I thought I'd hit next. Thank you for that. Targets filled to the back of the box. All right, back to where we were before. Yes, thank you. I meant to hit enter next, not continuous. Thank you, Mr. Santoro. Good eye on that, my friend. Appreciate that. Okay, we are at the bottom of the region again. We get a double cross here. We know what to do. We're not quite where we want to be on the masher anymore, but we'll be paying attention to that right there. When we get down to -4, -6, will be some trade opportunities there. Or region plays on the edges. Michael M said, I think you're the only live streamer that's legit, streams both wins and losses. Thank you, my friend. Appreciate that. So that's very tempting there, but oh, there we go. We just got a 6.7 there. I've got my finger on the buy at the back of this shark. I'll go ahead and put a limit order there. You guys don't ever see me do this much, but if we touch the back of that shark, I do want to tap in on that. Could be a quick move. Oh, I just missed a double cross reversal. There's my double cross reversal right there. Center of the zone. Shoot, it was already there. I was all busy trying to get my shark back play in there. We had the Alpha Omega coming in on the Mac V chart as well. So that one's off now. Nice little easy one there for... Yeah, that's 21 ticks. I know it doesn't seem like much space right there, but that's to the center. That's what I've told you guys before. If you are playing one of these, like let's say that you had a double cross show up right here at the edge of the zone, which is basically what happened here. Got that play. Target is going to be the middle of the zone, right about there. Goes up, hits it to the T, and that's 21 ticks. Can you get a 10 and a 15 out of that? Yes. My Kata didn't draw that zone perfectly. Let's move this up here. Okay, as we're dropping out here, I do want to take the next Enigma, so I am turning on next, and thank you for Mr. Santoro, who showed me earlier that I had on continuous. I want to take the next one and then let it stop. Okay, so we know we have space down below us to the master line down at -4. If we get a short play, we've got space down to -4 and then to -6. Here comes king timing. Here's king timing. Careful with that dot. I got my finger over the sell on a potential break. Nope. Don't. There's a double cross on the right on the alpha omegas. I'll give that a shot. I'm going to put my stops up underneath the cross. Target 1. And a hair tick away from target 2. And we get the shark. I'll reverse that real quick for, it's only a single right there. So worst case scenario, I close out behind the shark. Okay, looks like we're going to break the shark. I'll get long. I'm going to buy in, see if we get back into the zone. Okay, we got our red Enigma coming in here. It auto got us in there. Let's see how she goes here. Definitely nervous because of that. I mean, that should have pushed us back inside, gotten inside the zone here, but we'll give the Enigma a shot here. Big play here. Gonna have my left finger over the close. I've got my left hand on the hotkey for close. Want to be able to add to position if a setup comes up. Red dot add. Nope. Oh, that was so close. Yowzers. See what saved me over there on the right. Yikes. There is my exit point. I'm going to reverse this position here. We got the green dot. That is a close. We exit on opposing signal. That would be right there. And since now it feels like we're going to break here in the buyers, nice trap down below. Here we go. That was tricky. We'll go over it later. Okay, I'm going to sell half here. We got a pink Alpha Omega on the right. Use my half button, half off right there. Let's see if we keep going to the other side. Of course, I got my finger on the close. I can always double back. Okay, I'm going to double. I'm going to add it back. Target the top of the region. There we go. Okay. Half off there at the region. Now I've got two runners. All right, so back to the point of entry there. I'll add work the position. We've got Enigma on the right here. Green dot, add to position. See if we can make something out of it. Nope, green dot is broken. Want to exit on a bar in my direction. Or if it gets to my full 25 tick stop, that's a bummer. All right, I'll close it out right there for a small loss there as that one came back in. Tricky plot, tricky spot right there. Tricky spot. Right back into the region zone. Did not crack out. Saw a red dot up here. Didn't see that till later. Someone deleted their live stream today on YouTube. Who was it, Hooked? Come on, let's not be like them, guys. We're not going to do the whole like we don't name drop. We definitely name drop. Who was it? Name and shame. All right, so we got stops need to be up here underneath the Enigma. Who deleted their live stream? Oh, Wieland? What happened to Wieland today? Okay, I'm hearing them. I'm hearing them come in. I'm going to take a risk here, and I'm going to target the back of the Enigma. I'm hearing the sellers come in. So we've got audio box against the Enigma, so I'll take the direction of the sound. We're coming right in here to a double medium, which is a unique spot. Double medium on timing. So much going on in this zone here. Man, it's back and forth. It is back and forth right here. Oh shoot, look at the masher. The masher is sitting there right flat. No wonder. We are not playing on an edge. I want to be playing on those edges. Man, oh man, look at the targets in both directions. All right, here in the buyers. Let's see if this is finally going to be that push up. Man, they are not making it easy in this zone. Should've just let the Enigmas play, huh? Oftentimes you get that audio box cue though, and you go in the direction of the audio box along with that Enigma. And technically you did. You got it off of this one, but not this one. Didn't quite get to the bottom like we like to see. I like to see it go to the all the way to the back of those when they play. Alright, I'm gonna close it out. I'm just getting chopped up here. Boo! Yeah, I got chopped up in there. Serves me right. This is where you don't play. Good. We're at least going to learn from the spot, right? Not a spot to play. I've been doing really well all day just playing at those edges, and then I just went on a live stream and just going, throwing my masher line discipline out the window. Mistake. Yeah, it's in the accumulation zone. That is so juicy. So if I had not gotten in these other weird spots right here, I would definitely want to be trying to take a shot at that right there normally. But this just feels, oh, and she finally gets the drop. Oh, man. Oh, come on. Come on. Okay, that one we had a bigger number. And tapping right back into our Alpha Omega line previous. Right into the bottom. Did we get to the bottom of the masher yet? No, so we've got space. We still have more room below. Alright, I'm gonna get short here. I think people got trapped up top. I'm gonna try to make a big bet to the short side here. That people got offsides up top. Oof. Red dot, add to position. Did we go to a full position at 16? There's my red Enigma, hopefully going to help me out here. Oh no, come on now. Did that just get all the eyeballs looking short there and I just got caught in the trap? Yep, close. All right. Yikes! Ouch! 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 That's hurting. In hindsight, we can see double delta right there, and what came next? The HMD to the long side. Oof. Okay, we've got a king timing plus medium coming up right here in a few bars. Let's see what comes in there. So we want to see something come right here. Where's our masher at, though? Masher just completely flat. Need to see that come out here and touch either the 4 or the 6. Would be good. I think it did right here at this. Let's see, press F7. So that spot is the 29. Was that this one? No, that's this one. Yeah, didn't quite get there. Didn't quite touch it. So high time frame look, pre-FOMC, we did get all the way back up in there into the middle of the golden ropes. Oh shoot, I just lost my chart. Back behind it, where did you go? There it is. Put it back off on my side screen here. Oh, there she goes. Okay, we got a red Enigma up here with an Alpha Omega. See if that was a fake pop or not. Oof. Nope, I think we're gonna get long again. I'm gonna try long. We can target the back of that there. Oh, it's telling me short right there too. Oh, I am gonna get so mad at myself after this one. Came so close. Just noticed that 11.3 up there at the top. And a 23. Go back up there and touch me one more time. Get up there. Break it. Keep running. There you go. Keep running. There you go. Keep running. All right, there's the full regalia up there too. The gold line, I'll take it. Okay, almost to the top of this masher now. F6. So close. All right, I'm going to have the Enigma bot take the next play. Got good speed, up over 118. Going to be too fast for me to react. Yeah, bounced right at those AOs. Oh, that was unfortunate. We'll talk about that. What just happened right there in a moment. Oof. That's a neutralizer right there. Yikes. If we can get that down, target into the shark would be great. We break that HMD. I want to get long. All right, see double Enigma red on the right. Should help us out there. All right, filling up the targets. We'll let the runner see if we get down. So we got a line target here, potential. 2 runners on, 15, 386, 50. Or I'll work out the position. Yeah, looks PRZ cross right there. Red dot. Break of the dot. We'll have to close her up. All right, we'll close her up right there. Good enough for horseshoes and hand grenades. Liking the movement off of the 3s there. All right, I'll take this as a double dot short. Target's filled. Green dot. Hopefully it breaks a little bit. That should be my target right there. See if it's going to give me an extra tick or two. Yes, she does. Thank you very much. And we got to 15, 386, 50. Excellent. Yeah, look over here to my left, and this just looks better. Does this look better to y'all? This looks better. You know what I'm saying? Like this size I don't know what it is with this size chart. It just looks better. Are y'all feeling that? See if I can make this chart feel like that. Can't even fit it on the screen. It feels so good. It's just such a good size. Like, I think I'm just gonna put this somewhere. But then you guys don't get to see it and it's out of my view. Let me think. Maybe put the masher off on the side. Ooh, this'll get it really crazy. Okay, I'm gonna do masher off on the side. And I'm gonna do side middle so it's right in my line of sight. And I'll remember to keep... It kind of makes me look over there to the right a bit too, to make me keep checking my higher time frames. That's probably a good idea as well. So let's do that there. Yes, okay. And then this right in the middle. Oh, but then it's not in the middle. So many things. Like, I want it like right here. You know what I'm saying? Like right there. Boom. I'm gonna adjust all of the stuff to make it so that that is just right there. It's a different zoom level as well. Is that about right there? Yeah. Maybe I can move it over just a bit here. That lines up right about there. Then everything else kind of has to fit around it. Because we gotta compromise. We gotta be good for you guys, but it's also gotta be good for me. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I mean, but you don't... Cart before the horse. They're hooked. Gotta have the layout first before you start setting up max 2. Just not fitting together as well. Yeah, it's going to be very spicy tomorrow. Y'all just... you may want to save up your powder, as they say, for tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to be fireworks. FOMC. Yeah, I'm gonna have to play with my settings. I gotta get this thing. Gotta get this thing good. I did have a layout where I had my higher time frames kind of over here on the right, so centered my buttons. Maybe that's what we'll go back to for the live stream stuff on this. New version. Maybe hide the chart trader on this one. Fill in one here. Too small. But I've got to make it. I got to make it idiot proof for the ICT Muppets who are coming over. You know what I'm saying? There's going to be a lot of them after we drop the ICT documentary, and we get that to the CFTC and the SEC. It's going to be fun. It's going to be a November to remember. Can assure you of that.